Hello guys, welcome back to TechLearn. Today we are going to start our journey in web development with HTML. Before going to it, let us understand what is in by HTML. HTML is one of the easiest programming language to learn, especially when you are a beginner. HTML is defined as hypertext markup language. It describes the structure of the web page. It consists of series of elements called tags which define the structure and the content of the web page. Let us understand it by dividing the HTML. What is in by hypertext? It is a text that connected and allowing you to navigate through the information. The markup. The markup is nothing but it is adding of instructions or labels to the plain text, telling the web browser how to display it. What is in the language? The language which is understandable by the browser. Let us understand this HTML by opening any of the website in the Chrome. Let us search for any of the website. Let us search for Economy of India. It is a Wikipedia page. Let us open it and see it. You can see here that some of the lines which have been highlighted by blue color. If you click it that, it will navigate into another page. This is known as hypertext. Then what is in by markup? You can see that some of the lines are been bold. Some of the text is been italic. This due to the markup. Now let us understand what is in by HTML elements. These elements tell the browser how the content should be displayed. An HTML element is a combination of start tag, content, and the end tag. And tag is an enclosure between the two angular brackets. We have different types of tags such as paragraph, heading, and image, so on. To show the content as a paragraph, we use an p tag. If you want to show the content as a heading, we use h1 tag. There are 6 types of headings such as h1 to h6. Let us understand these tags by writing inside the VS Code. Let us create a file name as index1.html. Let us write our first line of code, the h1 heading 1 hello, and run it. You can see it. You can also preview in the VS Code. Okay, let us write the second heading. H2. Let us copy it and create the line 3. For the line 4 heading, H4 and H4. For line 5, H5, the heading 5. For line 6, hello. As you can see that H1 to H6, the height has been decreased. Now let us use paragraph tag to write a paragraph. P tag. Okay. Hello. Welcome to the course. You can see right. What we can make changes in the paragraph? We can make bold the welcome word using b tag. You can say it has been become bold. We can also make it italic, the web development tag word. It has become italic. If you want to navigate to another web page by clicking on any specific text, for that we can use anchor tag. An anchor tag is enclosure of a in between of angular brackets. Let us write Google. Let us write hello. For that we have to give the href, that which page you want to navigate. Href is equals to Let us give the Google page to the Google. Right, let us give this Control C, Control V. If we click on the hello, if we click on the hello, if we click on the hello, okay, if you click on the hello, it goes into the Google page. Before creating our web page, let us understand what is in the standard format of HTML. Is also known as boilerplate. This is a standard format of the HTML. In the body part, we write our code. Let us understand each and every tag in the boilerplate. What is in the doctype HTML? Doctype HTML. It is a declaration tells the web browser which version of HTML the page is using. When it comes to HTML tags, HTML tags marks the beginning and ending of the HTML document. It tells the web browser that everything between the HTML tags is the HTML code. When it comes to head tags are used to contain the metadata about the HTML document, such as the title, links, and the style sheets. If you want to connect the CSS file to the HTML, we will connect in the head tag. And it also has the title, the data which cannot be displayed directly on the web page. When it comes to body, this tag is all the content that you want to display on the web page, such as the text, image, videos, or more. It is like a main area where the actual visible contents of the web page resides. Let us see. Let us remove these all things. Control X. In the body part, we write our code and let us run. The title name, let us say first web page. It will be replicated on this tab. In HTML, we have given the language equal to EN, means it is in the English language. And in head tag, we have the title page and the metadata information, how to view it. Let us use an image tag. In image tag, we have to give the source. It will show on the UI. We will see few more tags in next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video. We will meet in next video. Until then, bye.